The following is vocabulary to express relationships and marital status. The first one is single. They're single, meaning soltero, solteros. They're single, single. The second one, they're engaged, meaning están comprometidos o en un compromiso. They're engaged. He's her fiancé. She's his fiancé. Fiancé. That means prometido. She is his fiancé. That means prometida. The third one is they're married. Married meaning casados. They're married. The next one is they're separated. They're separated. The next, they're divorced. They're divorced. He's her ex-husband. She's his ex-wife. They're divorced. Ex-husband, ex-wife. And finally, she's widow. She's widow. Widow meaning viuda.